Hey there, thanks for watching. This is Mrs. J, and today we're going to look at the second assembly for the pegboard toy. So you should have already made the first assembly, top number 1, where you put in the round peg and the square peg. When I open that up, we're just going to put the ends on either side of it. So all you do is double click this one that you've already opened up. If you haven't made that, see the previous video, assembly number 1. So we have this here. Let's come up to the ends. You really only needed to make one end part, and you can just right click and insert into current design and then drag it over. Yeah, the small screens are a little bit of a pain. You can shrink all these windows, shrink the browser, and now just drag it over sort of near where you want it. Use the arrows. All right, I'm going to hold Shift and press down my mouse button. Otherwise, you can click here. It's the same thing, the Orbit tool. And we're going to use Assemble to place this in using the Joint tool. When you first open up Fusion, if you're switching computers by any chance, sometimes you need to refresh right here in order to see the work you created on a separate computer. So if you're ever missing anything right here and you're like, hey, I know I did it, it's gone, always refresh. All right, so Assemble tab, and then, I needed to hit Enter to get that to go away. Assemble tab and Joint, or just hit J on your keyboard. So now I need to move this over so I can see it. I'm going to use the Pan tool, the little hand down here. Just press down your mouse. And I'm going to close this up so I have some more space. Okay, and then Joint tool. I think I have it going. Component 1. Okay, so you click here, component 1 if you lost how to hold it. I want to get right in the middle there. See how I'm like in between there? See the difference? Yeah, just scrolling out. Okay, once you selected something, I like this better than Fusion and Inventor because it goes transparent, which means you know you highlighted it. So we're not accidentally clicking something twice, which is whenever you guys are stuck. Sorry about that. Whenever you guys are stuck and I come to help you at your desk, that's always what happened. We made it to itself. So now you just scroll up a little more, click in the center here, watch the lovely animation. That was so easy, and hit Enter. That is really easy. This is great. Okay, and then we want to open this back up, bring in one more. See if I can get it to go. I probably can't. Data panel. Okay, and you could just bring in the same one. So you never needed to make 2. I was just trying to make it good practice. So end 1, end 2, it's totally up to you. Bring that in. Now, obviously, it's in the wrong direction. Let's give us up some space. Shrink that browser. Okay, so first of all, we're going to move it here. And then see these? This is what gives you your 6 degrees of freedom. And that's always a test question because you can go left or right this way, left up and down this way, and then side to side that way. So that's 6 different ways to go. Just grab that circle and turn that puppy around, hit Enter, hit J on your keyboard, get in the center of this guy, click, Shift, press down on your mouse, get here. So you just think you're trying to touch them together, whatever faces you want to touch together. You're good, and then you can hit the home button to get her back where she needs to go. Okay, all good. And it shows you your joints. That's what that's showing you there, that you have joint connectors. Probably a test question, not sure. Thanks for watching.